In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert and remove page borders in Microsoft Word step by step. This is a simple formatting trick that can make your document look more polished, more professional, and a lot more visually appealing. Whether you're creating a report, flyer, assignment, letter, or any other Word document, adding a page border is an easy way to give it a finished look. And if you ever decide you want a cleaner layout, I'll also show you how to remove the border just as quickly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the Word document where you want to add the border. Once your document is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and go to the Design tab. In some versions of Microsoft Word, this may appear under Page Layout, so if you don't see Design right away, check there instead. After that, click on Page Borders. This opens the Page Borders window, which is where you can control the border style for the entire page. Inside that window, make sure you are on the Page Border tab. From here, choose the type of border you want. The most common option is Box, which creates a clean border around the edges of the page, but you can also explore other styles if you want something more decorative. Next, you can customize the border to match your document. You can pick the style to choose the line type, the color to change how the border looks, and the width to make it thinner or thicker. Take a moment to preview the border on the right side so you can see what it will look like before applying it. If everything looks good, click OK to insert the page border into your document. Word will now apply that border to the page, and you'll immediately see the result. Now let's look at how to remove the page border if you no longer want it. This is just as easy as adding it. Go back to the Design tab, then click Page Borders again to open the same settings window. In the Page Border tab, look under the Settings section and select None. This tells Word that you do not want any border on the page. After selecting None, click OK to apply the change. The border will disappear right away, giving your document a clean, border-free look again. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to insert a page border in Microsoft Word and how to remove it whenever you need to. This is a quick but useful skill that can help you format documents more creatively and professionally. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Word tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.